Hello everyone, today I'm thrilled to share the exciting features of Parallel Desktop 20. This is the powerful software that allows you to run Windows alongside macOS seamlessly, giving you the best of both worlds. You can now test applications and run virtual machines like never before, all on a single Mac. Let's dive in and explore all the incredible features together. Welcome to A&B Smart Tech. Today we have got an exciting offer for you. You can save up to 25% on Parallel Desktop from October 7 to 20. Hurry, this is the best period of the year to buy Parallel Desktop. Stay tuned for more. This video is divided into sections as shown on the slide. Please feel free to navigate to the chapter that interests you the most. Alright, if you are watching this video, I'm sure that you might have heard of the Parallel Desktop. Parallel Desktop 20 is the latest version and it's pretty awesome. It lets you run Windows, Linux, and even older version of macOS on your Mac without rebooting. Sounds cool, right? It's super handy for people who use software that's only available in Windows, especially for developers, creators, power users, or students, and those who own the Apple Silicon M1, M2, M3 already and wants to run the operating system like Windows. By running Parallel Desktop 20, you can set up a virtual machine to run applications on Windows like AutoCAD or ArcGIS Pro easily inside the virtual machine that you just created. There are Windows applications like Microsoft 365, Copilot, Power BI, and Visual Studio that can run directly on your Mac inside the virtual machine. There are also many applications listed on Parallel website, and the best way to learn whether or not the applications that you want can run on Parallel Desktop is to try. You can try 14 days without having to pay anything, and you can buy with 30 days money back guarantee. So I would like to encourage everyone to try for yourself and see if it works and it fits for your requirements or not. There are multiple editions of Parallel Desktop for you to choose. If you want to buy as a one-time, you can choose a standard edition. If you want a high workload, then Pro edition is better. For business, you can choose a business edition. Now let's take a look at the system requirements. For minimum system requirements, you should have at least 4 GB of RAM. But for recommended or best performance, you need 16 GB of RAM or more. Now let's see what's new in the latest Parallel Desktop 20.1.0. There are support like macOS Sequoia, support AI VMs, and it's ready for Windows 11 24H2, improvement for Linux Fan, and more. And there are also upcoming features in this fall. For example, like you can use Visual Studio Code with AI package to manage and maintain your VM directly using Copilot. That feature is very interesting and it will help a lot in creating and maintaining. There are advanced machine features like a network container, snapshot, or uncompromised security and privacy system. These are the new features in the Parallel Desktop, especially for this one that I have not yet tried, but it's quite interesting. For Parallel Desktop DevOps service, you can deploy CI/CD pipeline directly within the Parallel Desktop using tools like Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and there are also like Visual Studio Code extension available for you to install and download. By the way, this video barely scratches the surface of what Parallel Desktop 20 is capable of. There's much more to explore, so I'm planning to create a deep dive video where I will show you step by step how to install it and explore all of the new features. If you are going to buy Parallel Desktop, I have an affiliate link down below in the description. You can help support channel by clicking the link and purchase through Parallel directly. Now, let's see how easy it is to install Windows 11 on Apple Silicon Mac computer. You don't have to have experience installing Windows 11. You just have to follow step-by-step guideline in this video. First, you have to click the Try Now and download your free trial. Then you just simply have to enter your email address and click Submit. After you submit it, Then Parallel Desktop will bring you to the next page. You have an option to select and download Parallel Desktop software by clicking Download buttons. Once downloaded, you simply double-click and double-click again on the Parallel Desktop and click Open. You have an option to select whether or not you want to enable or disable Customer Experience program. In this example, I just enable the program. Now you have to wait for the installation to complete, which takes only few minutes. And you have to enter the password to authenticate and authorize Parallel Desktop to run on your Mac. After that, you simply have to wait for the installation of Parallel Desktop to complete. After installation is complete, you will have access to Control Center. I show you on the screen the Parallel Desktop 20 on my Mac computer. The latest version after you upgraded will be 20.1.0. After that, you will be ready to install your first Mac by clicking the plus sign on the top right corner of the Control Center. Then you can select Get Windows 11 from Microsoft, or you can choose the ISO file. You also have an option to install operating system such as MacOS or Linux. But in this example, I will just install the Windows 11. What I have to do is just to click Get Windows from Microsoft and wait for the installation to complete without having to click anything. This is the best part of Parallel Desktop 20. It automatically installs and provisions your Windows 11 without having to deal with complexity like installing or preparing driver for the operating system. Nothing like that. Just simply click install and wait until the installation is complete. That's it. Have fast forwarded the installation process, so in the actual installation it may take longer time than this, but what's the same is that you don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for the installation to complete. Now you can see that you have Windows 11 on your Mac already. So if you want to buy Parallel Desktop, this is the best period in the year to buy, and you can help support our channel by clicking the affiliate link below. Thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this video. Thank you.